What's up, everybody? It's Josh. I have P&S's carpet products here, and I'm going to try them out. I just got them in the mail, and I've never used them before, and I've liked other products of theirs that I've tried, so I figured I'd give this a shot and film it. So I have a floor mat here from my mom's car. It's pretty dirty just from everyday driving, and we'll see what happens. I did a little time lapse there of the cleaning so you guys can see what it did to it. Now I used the stain remover, the carpet cleaner and deodorizer, and the finisher peroxide to deodorize and completely take up everything, and I thought it worked great. Thanks for watching, guys.